Cuckabug.
Oh Lord, ain't it cold? But I'm not gonna holler, 'cause I still got $1. And when I get low, oh, I get high. My man walked out, now you know that ain't right.
Hello, so this time I'm doing a hairstyle that's inspired by my late grandmother. And I'm starting off with hair that I've already blown out. And I just did a deep part so I can do the swoop over bang. And I'm using this pomade. It's really light, but if you want your hair to be more slick, I advise you all to use kind of like a wax stick because it will have more hold. Here I am, I'm braiding my hair so I can get some texture to it. I would leave this in for a couple of days, but this time I only left it in for a few hours. But another way so you can get texture and you don't have to leave it in for a few days, just add water or lightly add like a mousse or some type of styling foam, and that would do just the same thing. So in order to make our bang, we're going to make our own hair wrap. So you're going to need a donut to make a bun, and also some thread, and a needle. So we're going to cut the donut bun maker in half. So we're left with just one long tube. And you see that the ends are circular, so we're going to pinch those closed because we're going to sew them together, the ends. And this is totally optional, but it's just a way to prevent snagging and also kind of changes the shape of the hair wrap. So here I'm starting to sew, and it does not matter how well you hand sew because you're not going to be able to see it. This is going to be hidden under your hair, and then plus it's the same color, your thread is the same color as your hair wrap, so it's all camouflaged. But you're going to go over this, the ends multiple times. Like I went over this at least 10 or 15 times. Right here, you're only going to see me go over it once. And more or less, it's going to look like this. So you have your finished hair wrap. So after undoing your braids, you're going to section off the front part of your hair because this is going to be the hair for the bangs. So now you're going to take your hair wrap and just roll the ends of your hair over it, and then you're going to roll the hair wrap towards you. So this part, don't worry about getting it perfectly up there, just get it up there. Then also make sure you keep your hair as taut as you can, but you're not worried about making it perfect on the first try because what's going to work is just getting it up there and then pinning it to how you want it to be. So I'm getting my swoop, I'm just moving it down on the hair wrap, and then I'm going to use a hairpin to just secure my hair to the hair wrap. So now we're going to do the swoop portion of the bang in the very front. For me, this was really easy to do because I have a widow's peak. So what I did for my widow's peak, I just tucked that hair underneath the top part of the bang, and I secured it with a bobby pin this time. So then now you get like this really exaggerated swoop, and I use some of my hair to cover up a little bit more of the top of the hair wrap. So the bang is done, and you can just leave your hair down, the remainder of your hair down if you want to. I'm going to recreate the bump that my grandma had, so I'm going to make my hair shorter and kind of make it look like it's been curled and bumped under. So I'm using a Revlon bun maker, and all you have to do is just pull your hair through it, and then you're going to tighten the sides to secure the hair, and then what hair that you have hanging from the bottom, just wrap that around it. Roll it upwards, and then also before doing this, you probably should make sure that the back of your hair is come through so that you don't have any bumps in the back. And then I pinned it in place, and that is it. Earlier I already added in my rose pin, which matches my grandmother's, so make sure you add something to the bang to make it look a little bit cuter, and that is it. I love this bang, so I'm definitely going to do it again. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and please subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you.